Most people use AI like a shortcut. They treat it like a faster way to write emails, a clever way to summarize information, or a tool to get tasks done. But the people who are actually winning with AI, the ones who think sharper, act faster, and outperform their competition, don't use AI as a shortcut. They use it as a habit, as part of their daily mental operating system. Because the truth is this, your brain isn't built for the speed of the world we live in today, but AI is. And when you combine the strengths of human intelligence with the strengths of machine intelligence, you create something far more powerful than either one on its own. Today, I'm going to break down 10 daily habits that will upgrade your brain using AI, habits that sharpen your thinking, increase your clarity, and dramatically improve your decision-making. These are not gimmicks, they're systems that compound, and if you practice them consistently, you will be operating at a level most people will never reach. Welcome to PeakMind AI. Let's lock in. Habit number 1. Start your morning with an AI mental calibration. The first habit is simple. Begin your day by asking AI one question. What should I focus on today based on my goals? Most people start their day reacting, scrolling, checking notifications, responding to other people's priorities. This one habit flips the script. AI becomes the mirror that shows you what matters most. It filters noise, prioritizes tasks, and sharpens your intentions before the day even begins. Your brain wakes up with clarity instead of chaos. Habit number 2, use AI as a second brain for capturing insights. Human memory is unreliable. We forget 80 to 90% of what we learn. Use an AI-powered second brain, Notion AI, Mem, or any tool you like, to capture ideas, insights, questions, and decisions during the day. Then, each evening, ask your AI, what were the important patterns in everything I captured today? Your brain sees connections it would have missed. You upgrade recall and understanding without extra effort. Habit number 3, run all big decisions through an AI perspective check. The smartest thinkers don't make decisions alone, they triangulate. Before making a significant choice, ask AI, what are the long-term consequences of this decision that I may not be seeing? AI can simulate outcomes, identify blind spots, and surface risks your emotions might ignore. This habit alone will prevent years of avoidable mistakes. Habit number 4, use AI to sharpen your writing and your thinking. Your writing reflects your clarity. Anytime you write something important, an email, plan, or idea, run it through AI and ask, make this clearer, more concise, and more persuasive. Over time, your own thinking naturally becomes cleaner and more structured. AI isn't just editing your writing, it's rewiring how your mind communicates. Habit number 5, automate low-level thinking to free up your mind. Your brain wastes energy on repetitive tasks, scheduling, planning, formatting, summarizing, researching. Delegate these to AI. Think of it like cleaning up mental clutter. Once the routine tasks are automated, your mind becomes sharper, lighter, and more creative. You gain hours of clarity every week. Habit number 6, use AI for daily learning compression. Instead of trying to memorize everything, ask AI to distill what matters most. Take any topic and ask, teach me this concept in the most efficient way possible. AI compresses complexity, your learning speed skyrockets, and your brain stops drowning in unnecessary information. Habit number 7, practice cognitive offloading every afternoon. Cognitive offloading means moving what's in your mind into a system that thinks with you. At the end of each afternoon, ask your AI, what should I offload so I can think more clearly tomorrow? AI helps you remove mental residue, unfinished thoughts, loose tasks, unprocessed emotions. Your brain resets daily instead of carrying clutter into every new day. Habit number 8, use AI as a real-time thinking partner. Whenever you're stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure, don't wait for clarity. Ask AI, what's the simplest way to move forward? The habit isn't about depending on AI, it's about reducing friction. Your momentum becomes consistent. Your brain learns to break problems into actionable steps automatically. Habit number 9, conduct a daily reflection with AI. Every evening, run a short reflection. Based on my actions today, what am I improving and what am I neglecting? AI surfaces patterns in your behavior, your emotions, and your decisions. This creates self-awareness that compounds daily. It's like having a therapist, coach, and strategist all in one. Habit number 10. Use AI to reinforce your identity. Your identity shapes your behavior more than motivation ever will. Once a day, tell AI, reinforce the identity of someone who thinks clearly, acts strategically, and improves daily. AI mirrors your higher self back to you. This is how real mental transformation happens, through consistent identity reinforcement. These habits aren't about outsourcing your intelligence, they're about amplifying it. They're about building a hybrid mind, part biological, part computational, where AI handles the weight your brain shouldn't have to carry and your brain focuses on the high-level thinking machines can't touch. This is the future of mental performance. Not working harder, not forcing willpower, but designing daily habits that make intelligence effortless, sustainable, and scalable. PeakMind AI exists to help you build that future. If you're ready to think clearer, move faster, and operate at a higher level than 99% of people, subscribe now. Stay sharp, stay adaptive. This is PeakMind AI.